So for many of una wey dey talk say how many things Rose dey do. So me say make I tell una say I don had cleaning job join am o. In case you get contract, make you holla at your girl, okay? Yes, so this one na client washroom, like we don dey do am, I don dey clean am. So let me know if you get information, because no dull moment. This 2025 na double your hustle. So last year we had content join our business. So right now we just had another cleaning job for this 2025. So who knows? So the things they go high, so you go double your hustle. So since the inflation dey high, and so our hustle go dey high. Okay, so yeah, make una enjoy me dey wash the bedroom. So let me know if you get if you get job for me. Not dull yourself o, just holla at me, we go run am for you. If na your house, anywhere we dey, we go run am. So enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye.
Somebody, sing that now. Na nienta, sing that now. Na. Ali ako peyo, asa ko pay. Sing na. Nani ko peyo, ano ko pay. Abi niya sabihin. Abi ako sabihin. Ano niya sabihin? Ito niya sabihin. Ano naman sabihin? Ito sabihin. Ati latak mo. Ano niya sabihin? Ano niya sabihin? Ito sabihin. Ito gong. Story gong. Ati latak mo na. Ano niya sabihin? Story gong. Hey. Ano sabihin gong. Ano niya sabihin? Ati latak mo. Ati latak mo. Oi, ma! Ay, buonasera! Guarda, canzone! Okay, we done.